So guys, here is my iMac 2010.
Yes.
And it has seen a lot of upgrades over the years. The RAM and the SSD and the CPU, which we also did. And that was a big improvement.
Oh yes.
But it still has its original GPU. It's an AMD HD50 670, which was a good GPU for 2010, but it's gotten older, and also it doesn't support metal, so you can't run Mojave, which I might do in the future.
Yes.
I'm not sure, but for now I want to upgrade it.
Yes.
Yes. I want to upgrade it with this. Now this is a weird looking graphics card.
Yes.
It's like one of these cards that you find in Dell and Alienware gaming laptops.
Yeah.
And this is a NVIDIA GTX 765M, which should be quite a bit faster than this one. And
yours has 512 megabytes, and this has 2 gigabytes.
Has 2 gigabytes, so this is like a lot more. But also, I mean, this isn't terrible. You can edit videos. I still use it to edit the YouTube videos. But I think I'll have a big improvements with like some fancy titles and stuff.
Yeah,
when this one struggles a bit. So, but of course we'll we'll do this Cinebench.
Yes. Typical now.
There is.
And yes, we're not gonna give you screen flow.
No, that would hurt the performance. I got one time excuse. Well, as you see, it's not really bad.
No.
It's surely
that's
not so bad for the age. As you see, I mean, this is
looks fine.
This is fine.
Around 30, I would think.
Yeah, I would say, yeah. Now it's, as you saw, a little lag.
Yeah. So it struggles a bit, but it's fine.
Yeah, for the age, it's still a good GPU.
Yeah.
So this only cost me how much, you guess?
500.
No, just $99. So
yeah, 30 exactly.
That was a good guess. So almost 31. And we'll see how this behaves. So let's shut it down
and let's upgrade something that Apple hates that we do.
Yeah, it's one of the last iMacs, unfortunately, where you can do this.
And we even will try to get Mojave later on, so something Apple absolutely hates.
So yeah, this is the project. Will it work? Well,
probably not on first boot because it's we.
We don't.
It's
we don't know. So we'll see.
That's us.
But now we already know that working on this isn't so bad as it first
place the camera.
Now with the new GPU, we will have no boot screen.
Yeah.
Because it's not an Apple brand one.
But we will maybe hack this on later videos. Is this possible?
No, it's not.
No, it's not. I thought it's possible.
You would need to flash the whole GPU.
Oh, I see.
And I don't know how this is done, especially with this.
This could brick it, or if you do it wrong, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then that's not.
We'll just have no boot screen and just be fine. So
okay.
The first step is to lay it.
So it's just Apple being pissy when it comes to the boot screen.
It's always been like this. You remember this Mac Pro I had?
So, yeah, but there you...
No, there was also no boot
screen. I thought we could do that. Okay.
No.
Okay.
It's the same there. So yeah, fix it later. Yeah. First we'll need to put the glass off.
Oh yeah, right.
I mean, it's possible when
Where's
it's laying.
there it is.
When it's laying also.
Even professional. Yeah, wow, the angle is even fine. It's incredible.
Awesome. So
probably I'm always standing in front of it.
You always see on the internet that you need these big suction cups, but it's really
fine.
It's really not necessary, as you see.
There we go. Wow, that was so hard.
It's glass only. And now
the hardest part.
Removing the monitor.
Those magnets are just, I mean, they're great for removing, but they're a piece of shit when it comes to screws.
Well, Apple thought, well, you don't like the magnets, then we'll glue it
just
in
glue
the next time.
Isn't that what you wanted?
So now we can flip it.
Yeah. The mouse!
No!
There you go, it's fine.
Yeah, that's, by the way, the new Ryzen PC.
Yeah, there you go. AMD Ryzen. Yeah. First Ryzen.
Yeah, the first ever Ryzen.
Even with Vega graphics.
Yeah. So that will assist us here as the workshop PC.
Yeah, there you
I will just find the right screwdriver. That was too big. I mean, we already did this.
Yeah, back then.
And what's so funny is, like, when we put it back together, we forgot the monitor cable.
Yeah, even the Bluetooth worked, but of course we forgot the monitor
Come
cable.
on, get out there.
The magnets are great, aren't they?
Awesome.
It's so great when you have the iFixit ones.
Yeah, it like
works.
Why didn't we buy this 5 years earlier?
Because we are we.
It's not even that expensive, you know.
No. I don't know. Probably, yeah. Wait.
Here, like.
There we go.
And now.
There.
This is the fragile one. Yep, number 1 is gone.
Okay. Drücke die beiden Pins des
This one, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
And another one here.
Yeah, exactly.
And this one.
Yeah, all the cables.
Like, how does this come out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So now,
Hurry on.
I think.
Just gently pull.
Yep.
Yep. Perfect. Just
Heavy monitor there. Last time we put the whole board out, which we do not want to do
piece
again.
here.
Yeah.
The IR sensor.
And our GPU is right there. Here, this one. This, I think it's still warm. Yep.
Yeah.
So,
Good there.
how are you supposed to, like,
Let's just see.
remove this? Like, see this? Then this whole bracket should just come right out, or not?
Oh, well, there is one screw.
Yeah, this one. We need to remove probably this one,
Mm-hmm.
and then this, and this, and this, and
This
this.
and this, yeah. Or else the same screw.
I'm not sure, really.
Doesn't feel.
Yes,
There we go.
There
So
it is.
there you go. That's the heatsink and the graphics card. So
So
there it is.
There it is. Wow, that's a lot smaller
It's
than
bigger
the
than
one.
the heat. It's smaller than the heatsink. Oh god.
Wait, we'll
Yeah,
get
do that later.
outside and do
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Okay, so
We'll make a cut.
yeah, let's cut.
So that was faster than I thought.
Yeah,
Actually.
it wasn't too hard.
Holy shit!
Whoa, you can. Wow.
More than expected. So we know,
Yeah, we gave the
Cleaned
iMac a
it.
blowjob. Yeah, no.
of course, yeah.
Yeah.
And,
So
and now we will swap
remove
the GPU.
screws. Yes. So let's
So
remove
These two.
We off cam. We remove the screw.
Yeah, we wanted to be sure that it's really this.
Yeah. So let's go. Wow.
Like unnecessary over-engineered heatsink. Are they the same length? Oh my god.
No.
No, they're not.
No, they're not. Of course
Of
not.
course not.
You can tell they were never removed.
No, they were stuck on there since 2010.
Okay, I think it just goes off.
Yes, so
There you go.
there's this plate.
Yeah, and then there's the graphics card.
So all we have to do is
No,
now,
those.
like on a normal PC,
It's spring screws.
yep, spring screws,
Happy
and they're
birthday.
Phillips. Can you
Wow,
believe that?
can you believe?
Wait, I got a Phillips.
Yeah, that would be awesome. We're not used to needing a
No,
Phillips.
I didn't think we needed. This is basically like a normal CPU socket or GPU
Yeah.
socket, so yeah, I think it's out already.
I think it doesn't need much.
But check the size is like
Is it all out
completely
already?
different.
Goes so easily.
We will see if it removes or not.
I'm confused about how easy it is. It just opens.
And now,
No, that was not enough.
then more.
There it's fine.
Wait, is there another screw here?
Oh wow.
Ah,
Those screws
those,
probably. Yeah,
yeah.
okay, makes sense. Yeah.
Alright.
Like
And of course they're not different.
No?
What? They're normal?
Oh, I get it now.
Wait, are they the same? Ah.
They're like
What?
mounted there.
Yeah,
That's why they never go out.
Wow, this is complicated.
Wait, those.
A normal heatsink is
course
too much to ask
it's
for.
another type of screw. Just a screw reviewer.
But now there's no way now.
It's just so irritating how easily it goes out.
All right, now this one, it's a little plate,
and this one,
and it's probably stuck. Yeah.
There we go. There's the graphics card.
There's the AMD.
Old foam.
Wait, how was it on?
Like this. No wait.
Like this.
Like
right?
this, yeah. Like this, yeah.
So let's lay it down. It's on like C's.
Wait, maybe not on that.
Yeah, it's funny. The old one anyway.
Oh, wow, it's actually considerably bigger.
Check this out. There's
hope this works.
There's quite a big difference in size.
But this was in the same model.
Yep. I mean, it should work.
Must work.
It should mount.
It's just bigger, so.
Yeah.
Just the way it's considerably bigger. It's interesting.
What is with this? Let's remove this.
Thank you.
Yep, it's different.
Yeah,
it's different.
It's different.
Yeah. I watched a YouTube video where the guy said that we should use the original for whatever reason. I don't know. So I've now cleaned off the thermal paste. I know I should have done it with some wrapping alcohol.
Yeah, that's completely unacceptable.
Yeah.
You will get so much hate. So many hate.
So
but it's great if you hate. So
yeah,
it's fine.
we don't care.
Yeah.
But we will give it the nice thermal paste.
Fractal design.
No, I've got here this cheap one.
Yeah.
But we will use this.
Yes, the Cool Master, or what is it?
From Arctic.
Oh, Arctic, yes.
Thermal compound.
Gonna give it a trip to the North Pole.
Yeah. Just be sure that we really put it in the right direction.
Yeah,
like
this way. Yeah.
This way it was.
Yep,
I mean, there's not a lot you can do wrong.
You can't even. You will notice because then you can't plug it in.
So
enjoy the shiny core tip while it lasts.
If we get it off. But wait.
Failing at the thermal paste.
Not the graphics card when we put it
No,
on.
no, it's the thermal paste. Yeah, definitely. There we go. Of course.
Nothing's stopping us here.
No.
So
there we go.
I know it's too much.
It's always too much.
Always
YouTube
too much,
comment
yeah.
section.
But you know what? I don't care. You should have seen like how hardened it was before.
Yeah.
So
You can even see it a bit still.
Yeah. Go ahead. Whatever.
Whatever.
I don't care.
But wasn't there like on the other something else?
Yeah, there was something else, but when you look at where it was, it's really.
We can just look where he puts it.
Oh,
Of course they don't show it. It's just not important.
No, but you know what?
Yeah, there is an SSD inside the iMac.
There is for sure. That is for sure the
yeah,
CPU.
I mean, that makes sense. Yeah. But what?
There, this thing.
Yeah, this like, whatever this is.
Probably was like some glue or something.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Wait.
You will notice if you need more. It should just get hot as if.
But it should be.
Yeah, it should be.
It should be fine. So, but as you see, the size is.
Yeah, it's way bigger.
It's quite a big difference actually.
Okay, so that's just awesome. It's gonna glide all over the place.
You know what I actually thought? That we would have to kind of put the thermal paste in there somewhere, like while wedging it in there. Oh God. But we thankfully didn't have to do that.
Thankfully not, no. So, probably even Apple said no.
Yeah, that's too much. So let's try to get this back in. I have no idea where the holes are, actually.
That's an awesome design right there.
Yeah, I see it. Right, it's don't slide.
Yeah, when you've got one, then you've one.
Alright, there it is. I gotcha. It actually feels like right now as if I'm working on a PC.
Yeah, incredible, isn't it?
It's too easy. It's too easy.
That's what Apple thought too, so they just glued it in.
So yeah, we have to be grateful that it's that easy because with later iMacs you can't.
You can't, no.
There's no way. And of course, to piss off some fanboys, look at that, there's Samsung memory.
Yeah, can you believe it?
So,
yeah, Apple and Samsung have done quite a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is not going anywhere.
No, it's not going anywhere.
It's for sure on there.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's under there.
Yep.
And so all we have to do now is put this plate.
Yeah. Put it back on and deal with it. I mean, the plate doesn't match now, but does it? I don't know.
It should be no
No,
problem.
it should because the holes are still.
How does it go on like this?
Yeah. What? Yeah.
There are the holes. Yeah, it should be fine.
Yeah, it just.
And these holes line up here.
Yeah, so perfect.
So now we have to screw this one in.
Yeah.
I think it would have been smarter if we screwed in these first.
Yeah.
But this is the way we do things.
What can you do?
I mean, as long as we get the screw in there.
Yeah, it's
I
true.
will maybe not tighten it all the way down yet.
Pro tip from us. Can you believe it?
You know, it might not look the way, but we gained some knowledge. Actually,
Yeah, we
over the
always
years.
do. Yeah, sure.
So, yeah, this
Yeah,
is
that's it. Now the fun stuff
now the
begins.
fun stuff.
This.
starts,
How do you get the cable in even? No, seriously. How do you?
Should we maybe put the cable in first, like mess with this first after we
Yeah.
put it in?
Yes, definitely. Okay, we now need to get it on the tripod.
So we got it in.
Yeah, it wasn't that hard.
So
Now
all
we
we have
just
to
slide it in, right?
do is to slide it in, yeah.
Just go ahead.
And I'll see under there. if
Yeah,
it
where
meets
we
up
are,
with
yeah.
it.
I don't know. It's like refuses.
Wait, can I have it?
Sure.
Maybe you get this.
We don't really need this anymore. Does it?
No.
Oh, it's refusing, right?
There
It's
it's
stuck
stuck
somewhere.
there somewhere, yeah.
Probably because we need it at an angle. There we go.
Mm-hmm. How did we get it out at the first place?
Ah.
Ah.
There we go, Tim.
No,
Is
not
it?
yet. No, it can't be. It's way too loose to be in. I think now. Yes.
There we go.
Look at that. Holes line up.
Perfect.
So thankfully this doesn't have some auxiliary power,
Yeah,
because if
thankfully.
we had, we would have
Yeah.
flinched it right now.
But hey, we're getting there, guys. Look.
We're
The
getting
professional
there.
lighting up there. Professional is up to debate, but
Wait a minute. There is this
awesome thing there, right?
this cable is in the way. So now. Now I know now why the guy in the YouTube video was so worried about this length, because if it had still the hard drive, it would stick up here.
It
as you
wouldn't
can see.
work, yeah.
But here, as you can see,
Doesn't matter, enough
it would
space.
even be that long. It wouldn't
Yeah,
matter.
yeah.
So yeah.
So, do you have all?
Do you really already so far that we put the monitor back?
Yeah,
in?
it seems like.
Holy shit!
Damn, okay, let me get it.
Oh damn it! A little further down, further. Good.
Good. Okay.
All right. Now all we can do is now put it back in.
Yeah, there we go. And screw it back in and we're done. Can I have the honors?
Yeah. Have fun with.
Yeah, I just wanted to
the
say I
magnet.
shouldn't have said it.
There are three, right? No, four.
No, four.
Yeah. Thankfully, they were the same size.
Okay.
So that we don't freak out when we turn it on. It will not have a boot screen.
Yes,
So
indeed. So,
all the
we're
big
guys.
screws are in.
How about you try first to boot it before
Yeah,
you put
I will. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now comes the moment.
This is the moment you all been waiting for.
So
Stopped recording, but
stop recording.
we're in the process. This is the moment.
We pushed the power button, and
It made a bong, but no boots. Yep, there it looks good.
I'm also told that at the first time it takes longer, and it took longer. Yeah.
But there
But we
go.
have a picture.
Let's see. Is there no mouse connected? Right?
Yes, there is, but I'm not sure if it is really connected to the computer. No. But so, mate,
There you go.
the
NVIDIA.
upgrade was successful. Now we can
gigabytes.
put the glass back on.
Yes.
Miss the glass.
Mr. There is. Wait, do you want to clean the display maybe first?
That's a good idea. Yeah. Wait. Yeah.
Probably the glass as well, because it's like Samuel L. Jackson got a bit smudgy.
Wait, I have to turn it off for that because with the screen on I can't see where the dirt is really. Yeah,
Well, it works.
There's some
Can you believe it? This is actually it's probably one of our first upgrade video where everything just worked.
Yeah, but without any big problems.
Yeah,
really.
it just worked. Yeah.
So that looks
The
fancy.
Nicolas is a bit more fancy, but you can't really see. But if you... Oh, we're back.
I don't know when the clip last stopped, but
Yeah.
we just wanted to say it is the GTX 765 with 2 GB from NVIDIA.
Yes.
One of the last NVIDIA cards that Apple supports in their OS.
Indeed. Yeah.
And so...
And we said we're gonna guess. We say first it could do 31, and we say around 50 maybe, no?
Before it did 31 almost, and you say 50, I say 45.
Yeah, somewhere around there.
But I've really no idea, and I've also no idea how well it's like represents the real world use.
Yeah.
Like I will always use it in Final Cut, so...
Yeah.
But yeah, let's run it.
Let's see what difference it makes.
There it is, the new GPU.
Yeah.
That's really... Let's see.
Let's
this
see,
is the why we did it.
Yep, this is why we did it.
So, when I'm so happy that it really worked.
Oh yes.
We're like,
it wasn't that hard, or?
no, there's always this little concern you have, you know, when you buy an Apple thing and you put it in the Mac.
Okay, let's see.
But yeah, the GPU seems to be working just fine.
Yeah. Oh.
Ooh, that's better.
It looks smoother, yes. Yeah, I mean that's definitely more than 30.
Yeah. Yes, for sure.
I would say it's around 40.
Like it
50,
struggled when the second car came. It struggled a bit before.
Yeah, you can notice it's a bit, but it could
Yeah,
be 50.
It's a pretty good score, yeah. Like here it also lagged. That's what I remember.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Moment of truth.
Yes. How much do you guess?
500, 1,000, even more. 56! Holy shit! It's almost 60 frames.
Yeah.
Damn!
That.
Almost twice the performance.
As you can see, here is the old, the HG5670, and here is the one we got.
Damn!
So
that's a big upgrade.
Totally worth it.
Yes.
It's just for the sake of it, also go in the Unigine heaven.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Because I will put up the spreadsheet it scored before.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll be back when it's
done.
doing something.
We did the tests and
very, very good results. Before it had 412 in the basic, and now we got 984, which is more than double as fast.
Yes.
And in the extreme, where it was a big loser before with 1 frame and stuff, it now jumped to 320
points,
which makes it almost as good as the Vega 8 from the Ryzen 3, which is very, very nice. So we just made this computer a lot faster than before.
Yes. And we even tried it on Final Cut a bit, and you could notice some differences.
Yes, so this is what I did it for, you know, it's the real, not because I care about these frames, it's because I want to work more efficiently. So, just here, I got the graphs for you. This was the one before, and now we got here. Of course, you know, this is a 2070, for example, so you see how much power these modern GPUs have.
Yeah, definitely.
But here you can see it even better. Before we got here, and now here.
Yeah, so definitely an improvement.
Almost 1,000 here.
Yeah.
So, yeah, guys, I'm so freaking happy that it works.
As again with the CPU, it was completely worth it.
Totally worth it. We as I said to you, we made this computer from the base level i3 to i7 high-end NVIDIA. That's so awesome because I could have never afforded it when I bought it. You know, this would have cost 2,500 or so.
Yeah.
With like the SSD and i7, and it would be
a nightmare.
A nightmare. But yeah, so if you have a GPU that can be upgraded,
of course,
only works until 2011, do it.
Do it, yes.
It's not even that hard. Just do it.
Yeah. So we showed you again that you should update and upgrade your old systems, not throw them away.
Yes, exactly. So yeah, until next time.
Yes, guys. See you.
See you.